What's up, everybody? This is going to be a real quick one. Got in the wife's car today, and the wipers were making a bunch of noise. So, show you how to do it on a 2014 Chrysler 200S. These Michelin blades are what I picked up today. 22-inch and 24-inch is the required size. I can put a link in the description if you guys are interested in picking up a set. Listen how bad these things are. So removal's really easy. Pull the blade up. You're going to turn it like that. These particular ones you just push in. You can see the clip starting to come out. And you're left with that old wiper blade. So this is the old driver's side, 24-inch. I haven't opened the other one, but passenger side is going to be 22-inch. Alright, so we're going to do driver's side first. These wiper blades do have a little protective cover on here. So you just pop them off on the edges, these little blue tabs. Not much to that there. And then this guy flops open like that. So you're gonna slide it past, down, and lock, and that's it. Alright, so we're gonna do it again here. Blue clips come off, they just pull off here. This guy's wide open like that. I'm gonna slide it beyond, pull it in till it clicks, snap that down, now you're done. Hopefully the noise went away. Nice and smooth. Working great. Hopefully that helps out.